Hello and welcome. In this course, I'd like to show you the basics of mold tools and plastic design in SOLIDWORKS. Mold making is generally a very complex process, but SOLIDWORKS has a lot of tools built right into the software that can help make things a lot simpler for you. Now, there are a lot of variables that go into designing plastic parts and injection molding in general. Things such as minimum draft angle requirements or the shrinkage that results as a part cools when it's removed from the mold can be difficult to predict without experience in the field. As such, it's important that you work closely with your mold maker, rapid prototyping company, or whoever will be manufacturing your parts to make sure you have everything set up correctly to achieve the end result you're looking for. That said, the mold tools in SOLIDWORKS are actually pretty easy to use. In this course, we'll look at the basics of the mold creation process in SOLIDWORKS and some of the tools available for you in the software. I'd also like to show you how to create a few different types of fastening features, which are incredibly common in plastic design and injection molded parts. With all that in mind, let's go ahead and get started.